Hey gang, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello! I'm Destiny Taylor. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you want to join the XO gang, just subscribe and turn on your notifications. You can leave a comment down below and say what's up, and I'll say what's up back, and we can be buddies. Really excited for today's video. Haven't done a haul in so long. I don't really know why I don't do hauls. I've probably only done like 3 on my channel. I love watching them from other bloggers, but I hate recording them. But the season is changing. I have some vacations coming up, and I am on a lot more PR lists than I have ever been on. So I'm receiving packages like 3 times a day. I'm from shopping, from receiving stuff, and I thought, you know what? Why not share with my peeps? Why not share? So I'm gonna start with Neutrogena. Really excited to be working with this company because I've never tried their products before, and I've been wanting to specifically try their foundations since they've expanded their range. And remember when Jackie Anya, she went on a trip or something, and it was sponsored by Neutrogena, and she wore their Healthy Skin foundation. I was like, I really want that. I need that in my life. And I finally have it. I actually got 2 foundations, so you know it's popping. Of course, I have the Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup Foundation, and this has sunscreen and SPF 20, which is really awesome because I don't wear sunscreen and I need to, especially now that I'm in LA. They're both in Chesnut, but this Healthy Skin foundation specifically has a warmer tone than this Hydro Boosting Tint. Now this is their new foundation from their Hydro Boost line. I'm wearing this today actually, and this is the first time I'm wearing it. It's a skin tint, so I expected it to be like super BB cream lightweight, but it actually has like some coverage on it. I say it's like light medium to medium coverage. So a few more Neutrogena products. Not really going to talk much about these because I haven't really indulged in them. The first is this Hydro Boost Hydrating Concealer. I'm going to do a video specifically highlighting this collection, so I'm not going to open this up or swatch it or anything. I got a primer. This one is their Shine Control Primer. Had to get this one. They also had a hydrating one. Really excited for this one because it's Shine Control. I have very oily skin. For some reason, my skin has traditionally been oily. But then when I went to college, my skin was crazy dry. But now it's back to being crazy oily. Like I put on my foundation and by like 3 hours, like it's just oil. Also from the Hydro Boost line, I have 2 of their Hydrating Lip Shines. I absolutely love this one. This is the color Soft Mulberry. I love this one so much. I was sent one, and then I saw it at Rite Aid, and I picked up another one. I've been wearing this on Instagram a lot too, so you know it's real. One more Neutrogena product. Had to pick up something for the brow since I am doing a full tutorial. This is the Nourishing Brow Pencil in dark brown. It's not kohl, it has a very hydrating consistency. This will be featured in the Neutrogena video that is to come. I have my first Clinique foundation. This is the Beyond Perfecting Foundation in Concealer in the color 28 Clove. And oh my god, this thing is it. So I got this before I got the Hydro Boost foundation with this same applicator, and I loved it. I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. But then after the second time that I wore this, and I was having a breakout the second time that I wore this, I was like, I put it on my face and I put it back in, and literally when I put it back in, it was like dun dun dun. Like, that's very unsanitary. Another foundation. I picked this up. It's the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's supposed to last 24 hours, and this is the color Truffle. This is the darkest color they have. Now I got the darkest color because I'm going to Jamaica and I know I'm just going to be a burnt crispy biscuit, and I need something that's going to last on my face, something that I can wear. Like if I'm going to do a water activity, I never indulge my face in the water, but water does get on me, and I needed something that would stay and wouldn't just like drip down, and that's what I'm hoping this is going to be for me. I am experimenting. Also for Maybelline, I have 2 more of their Total Temptation mascaras. I told you guys that I love this. I did the IG post with them and love it so much I had to go and pick up 2 more. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow your girl on Instagram because she's been hustling. I got to do a digital shoot with Maybelline 2 weeks ago, and they're still like sharing content. They just started sharing the content from it, and it was just such a beautiful experience. They have a lovely team going on there, a lovely team. I have a cute PR package from Love Beauty and Planet. This is a little cute tote that they sent, and the front says, "Small acts of love." And the back has these little doodles on it. You have a bicycle, you have a rose, you have the planet. What's this? A leaf, sun, a pine tree. I'm a sucker for tote bags, and I really love when I get sent them because I use them for my groceries and like other random things. Never tried their stuff before. First thing in here, Maru butter and rose body wash. There's no sulfate cleaners, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. I cannot wait to try this. This just made me so excited. Oh my god, this smells so good. Also, I have the coconut oil and Lang Lang Hope and Repair conditioner. So this is for the hair. Let me smell this one. Ooh, it smells so good. This is the shampoo, which smells exactly like the conditioner. Love, love, love. So this does have organic coconut oil, has Lang Lang. It's safe for colored hair. This is also vegan, no silicones, parabens, yes. And lastly, they sent me these little cute pins. It's a brush, a rose, a heart, and a planet. It's so fulfilling to know that these products are ethically made. They're vegan, and they're very great for your hair. No parabens, no sulfates, no dyes. Yes. All right, are you guys still with me? We're almost done, but we're not done yet. I went shopping last night, went to TJ Maxx. So I start a new job on Monday, but I'm working with BH Cosmetics, and I'll be working on their special projects. I wanted to change things up a bit with my wardrobe. I want my wardrobe to not mesh as much. My work attire was my everyday attire, was my go out attire in some sense, and I want clothes for different things. So I only have tops because I'm 5'11", and I can't buy pants in stores. What? That's unheard of. So the first piece is this very cute button up. The pattern, very basic and classic. The idea, very basic and classic, but it does have some elements to the construction that make it pop a little bit, that add some more sass, which y'all know I'm about. So it has this cute little bell. So it flows nicely. And also it's sort of like tapered. It's shorter in the front and goes longer in the back. So from the front, you get that party. I can wear my high-waisted pants and you can see the band. And then from the back, it kind of covers my booty more. So it won't be as distracting because my booty be distracting in a working place, y'all. Not because it's big, it's just because it's bold, okay? Another striped button up. I wanted to go for vertical stripes because I don't wear vertical stripes anywhere except for work now, except for work. So this is just a cute little flowy top, very figure flattering for me, very comfortable, which is important for me while I'm at work, and that was the main reason why I just wear my like normal clothes, because I be comfortable. Yeah, just gonna pop this on, put some black jeans on, wear my red lipstick, put some black heeled boots on, and she ready for the day. She ready to make the millions, is what this shirt is gonna say when I style it. So I really don't have any basic items. Like, I'm not a t-shirt jeans type of girl. It's not very flattering on me for some reason. Maybe it's just a me thing. Like, this is a basic t-shirt I have on right now, but every basic t-shirt I have has to have some sort of element that makes it not basic. For this black top that I got, professional on the front, so it's very basic. Then it's a little party in the back, if y'all can see that. Tiny little party. It just has this cool, like, open, what is this, cutout detail, woven cutout detail on the back that just makes it pop. And V-necks are my thing. V-necks looks amazing on me, and it's just a cute, nice, sexy, basic piece. I picked up this romper that's possibly for Jamaica. Now it's black, so that's the only thing I don't like, but it is very flowy. I think I can wear a nice little basic bandeau underneath this, have it open. Maybe this is something I sleep in, or I'm like waking up, going around the house and have this on. I don't know. This may be like a chill piece for Jamaica, but if not, it's just good to have in your closet, you know? This, y'all. Look at this color, it's so cute. So this is a cardigan slash trench coat slash outerwear, innerwear, loungewear. All of my tops are in a size medium, and then this trench coat cardigan thing and the romper are in a size large. This is so cute, and when I saw it, I was like, that's the piece that defines Destiny as a professional. This one right here, it's very chill, but it's very like structured and like sexy at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. This is just me in a piece, okay? Thank you guys for joining me in this haul. Again, I haven't done a haul in so long, so this was kind of refreshing. I'm gonna do more of these. Thumbs up if I should do more of these. Thumbs up. So I'm curious to know, what's your fave out of everything I showed you, and what videos would you like to see me do creating these products? I already know I'm doing that Neutrogena video that I keep plugging. I am gonna do a review on the Love Beauty Planet products on my weave versus my natural hair and vice versa. So yeah, peace and love to you all. Mwah! And I'll see you guys next time.